The tragic tale of the dodo bird. Once upon a time, on a remote island in the Indian Ocean, lived a bird unlike any other, the dodo. The dodo was flightless, fearless, and flourished on Mauritius. With no predators, it had no need to run or hide. But in 1598, everything changed. Dutch sailors arrived, and so did disaster. The dodo had no idea what fear was, and that was its downfall. Humans hunted them for food, but even worse, the animals humans brought, rats, pigs, and monkeys, ate their eggs. In less than 100 years, by the late 1600s, the dodo was gone, extinct, forever. Today, the dodo is more than a symbol of extinction, it's a warning, a reminder of how easily a species can disappear when nature meets neglect. The dodo may be gone, but its story still speaks. Will we listen?
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the Crystal World YouTube channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.